Hi, my name's Gull. This is a little bit of a size comparison between the Motion Boom and the Motion Boom Plus. If you're wondering which one to buy, that's really up to you. The portability of both is good. The size difference is significant, and the audio quality difference is huge. The Motion Boom Plus, this one, the bigger one, sounds very much better. This one is also a great value, especially for the price, and it definitely gets the job done. There's plenty of music, plenty of sound that comes from it. They're both great speakers. If you're considering either one of them, you cannot go wrong.
Damn that body, that body was Versace.
If this was useful, please give me a thumbs up. It helps other people find this content. Thank you.